April 17. Happy Tax Day. These birds are 1 week old and have about doubled in size. The sounds you hear outside is snow. It is snowing outside. It was 80 on Saturday. It is Monday. Unreal. We have added another sheet of Lexan here. It's like 8 foot by about 3 feet, and it's just a nice little heat trap. With it being in the 30s right now, the next few days shouldn't see much higher than 45 out in the sunshine. We added that heat trap, and these heat lamps are not doing well enough to keep warm in here. I added this 600 watt light, and that is definitely making up for the cold temperature outside. But I've just got it plugged in. I don't have any thermostat on it, so I'm gonna have to monitor that a little closer than just letting it run. Current count is 128 birds. We did lose the one with the broken foot that first night, and that was kind of to be expected. 2 more have passed in the last week, and I guess that's why they send a few extra. It's always unfortunate to find even just one gone, but that's farm life.